Good morning. I'm just on his way out, but the guys are just saying they've rescued a emerald tree boa. See if we can get close without it biting me. Where's its head? His head's over there. Yeah, so on the lodge here, with them literally being, you know, like footsteps away from the jungle, they sometimes, if they find something injured or if something's, you know, there's something's been where they've tried poaching it or whatever, they'll rescue it. They'll get it back to health and then re-release it if they can. That's what that emerald boa's doing here. The green one just there. So, but they get all sorts of different stuff, different animals and reptiles and whatnot. Just tipping the water out from yesterday that got in the boat. Spotted an iguana. It was just sat at the very top of the tree there, that you'll never see it. All this is the flooded forest. Oh, we're on foot now. We're going looking for this prehistoric bird, this giant bird, not this koala. Look at these trees. Bluebirds done.
Oh, look.
Oh, nice. Nice, good shot. These banana trees?
Yes.
Oh, so.
Bananas, papaya, sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Over there.
I like sugar cane.
Yucca. The clutching, the prehistoric bird. Look, over there. Can you see it? Look. Can you see my laser? Over there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Agak bien bajito. Água aqui. Vamos, si puedes ir al otro lado. En bote cruzas hacia allá, ve para que la bulla vengan hacia acá.
It's the prehistoric bird. I'll put a picture in. It was obviously high ups. I found it in the end. Very hard to get a picture. Spent a couple of hours tracking it there. Yeah, we went to one side of the flooded forest and then to the other. Just the birds there's like a deeper bit in the middle and the birds had flown over to the other side.
I hope no rain for.
No, hopefully don't want to do it. This is back at the lodge. It's a long, not so much long in trekking, but it was difficult with the terrain and that to get around. It was good though. It's interesting to see the flooded forest. My cabin there. Could do with getting hang my stuff out on that line, I think, while it's sunny.